In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this plus at the bottom left corner. To record your video and add it right away, hit camera at the bottom left corner as well. Hit camera icon here. Record your video, and then to add it, use this check mark at the top right corner. To add already existing one, click on the same plus. Tap on your video here and wait. Or select gallery and click on your video after finding it here. Then tap on done at the bottom right corner. To add an audio one, select the same plus icon, hit recording, hold this microphone, record your message and let go to add it. And to add already existing recording, tap on more at the bottom right corner, select audio, tap on your file and use this check mark at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!